Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out HBAR's price chart. And I think in the previous video, we were right in here, and the idea was this move down maybe is going to continue a little bit, but as long as overall we are not taking this low down here about 17 cents, we are absolutely allowed to be optimistic. So what happened? We did continue our move down, and the question is this actually it, the low of our correction, or maybe we are going to have something like this now? First things first, if you want to argue, for example, we're going to have our final low around here, okay? You need to be able to find, in terms of Elliott waves, off of the lowest low in this region, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. And in HBAR, there is a scenario indicating maybe we are having a series of 1, 2s. You see, this can be, yes, from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction into wave 2. And if this is happening, I need to see soon a very strong move up into wave 3, 4, 5, which this one on a higher degree, it's going to be into wave 3. And then what are we going to have? Correction for 4 and yet another move on the upside into wave 5. So if I see this move, it is going to be, from my point of view, a great sign in HBAR, especially if at the same time we manage to get back above this level, which the higher band of it is about like 20 and a half cents. Now, every single bullish or bearish scenario should have a very important invalidation point. And what's it going to be for this one? I'm going to say it's going to be taking this specific low down here about, let's say, 19 cents area. Why? Because let's say, okay, in HBAR, generally, before we take this high, we are going to have a move down in order to take this low. Question, at that point, how exactly are you able to show me an impulse in this initial move of from this point to about this high? For me, it's pretty much impossible to find an impulse, and sure, maybe somehow I don't know how, but let's say somehow I am able to find a 5 wave. However, I'm telling you right now, the shape of it is going to look so odd to a degree that is going to make me say, you know what, that's not going to be my primary case. And according to my primary scenario, this is going to be just a simple ABC zigzag indicating our move down is going to continue. So two very important points. In the next 24 to 48 hours, what you want to see in HBAR is maybe after this consolidation is over, yet another very strong move up into wave 3. Okay, one very important characteristic of a wave 3 is being quite a strong and sharp move on the upside, and that's why I'm focusing on the word strong. On the other hand, point number 2, what you do not want to see is a move down in order to take this low, because that is going to, in the short term, kind of invalidate our bullish possibility. And at that point, we need to be prepared for some more downward price action, which overall, like we said it also at the beginning of the video, it's not going to be a bad sign at all. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in HBAR's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.